Hi, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video. Here we have a Universal Avominor multimeter. Picked this up for one of the Goldborn auction, swap meets. And when I got it, it was a bit of paper and it said it only works on the 5-volt range. None of the others worked, and I thought, well, I'll fix that at some point, but that was quite a bit ago. I didn't try it on the amps ranges at all, but anyway, eventually I got around to it. I had a look inside just to see what was inside, what could be wrong with it. I just turn this around, and it seemed most of the bits were there, except for there's a bit there, a wire wound resistor, similar to that bugger there. That was missing. I had at this point, I looked online at pictures of it, and yeah, that bit was missing. And it led me to think, could I actually get a resistor in there? Could I wind my own? Is that too much of a faff? And I thought, well, is it really worth it? The fact that I'm not really going to use it if it's working anyway. I mean, I've got another Evo down there, and there's one in that box there. But is it really worth it? I then thought, I mean, it's the Air Ministry one. There's probably like a serial number that someone can look up. Yeah, would I really use it? And then I thought, well, if I did repair it, would it be worth anything more? Would it be anything less? And then I thought, do I dare go down the route of upcycling? Do I take all the insides out, get some LEDs beyond there, like a blue LED or something, put a circuit in there that changes lights, have it like a mood brick, and put a rechargeable battery in it? If I did that, would anyone like, oh yeah, that's good, or would I just get completely shunned from any radio repair stuff ever again? Would I be dumped into the hounds of hell for even considering upcycling such a nice piece of equipment? Let me know what you think. Should I upcycle it and be dumped in the hounds of hell? Have my soul burnt forevermore in the pit of nether? Or shall I attempt to fix it? Let me know your thoughts, comment below. Bye for now.